Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I want to talk about one of my new favorite features that's been added to Workspace, and that is in regards to Google Chat. You now have the ability to star certain messages, which I think is really cool, and I use it every single day. So let's show you what this is. If we look to the left side of my screen, you will see that chat button. If we hover over it, you'll see a menu pop up. And in this case, you'll see a new updated interface of using the home, mentions, and now a starred feature. So let's show you how this piece works. I'm going to go to a coworker's chats that I've had back and forth with this person, and maybe this is over 20 or 30 chats. And inside of this thread, there is maybe 2 or 3 pieces of information that I know I'm going to refer back to. Could be maybe specific information about the project we're working on together. Maybe a phone number or an email address or a contact information, or maybe a link to a file that has been shared with me that I just want to grab really quickly on the fly from here. So let's show you how it works. I'm going to go to our thread and just scroll through, and bear with me. You're going to have to play pretend with me. Let's pretend that we're looking at one of these chats, and hey, this one says, yeah, we'll pretend that this is a piece of information about the project that we're working on together. If you hover over that chat, go up into the little menu that appears, and in the 3-dot icon there, you'll see an option to now star this. So we're going to star the one that says, yeah. Time goes on, I'm working in my email, I'm doing my thing. I've got some time now to refer back to that project informational piece. I can now go to chat to the left, go to my starred area, and now I'll see all of the chats that I've called out specifically with that star. And when I click on it, it takes me right to that message, and I can see all of that information that I need right away. So this is a really great tool to keep track of those little snippets of information that maybe you want to keep, as opposed to a long and long and long thread that you typically have to scroll through to find that one message that has what you need. So I just wanted to show you that. It's now available on mobile devices as well. This feature on the web was released back in November, but it is now on your mobile device too, which I wanted to show you here on the web and speak to the mobile device option. If you hover over your message with a finger and touch on to the message, it should give you the little menu to pop up for adding a star to it. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update. This is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.